Welcome to Sarah Gill Bible Knowledge House. The book of Proverbs, chapter number 10, verse number 14. Wise men lay up knowledge, but the mouth of the foolish is near destruction. I am Pastor J.P. Gill from sgbkh. I salute you in the Lord. sgbkh aims to provide quality Bible education, quality teaching, quality training, and quality management. Join us to make a systematic study of the Holy Bible in a fully peaceful atmosphere. Act of serving: Hebrew language, English language, Christian history, and Urdu language. May God bless us all.
Program: The True Words. Topic: The Human Brain. Reference: Psalms 26, verse number 2. Examine me, O Lord, and prove me. Try my reins and my heart. Amen. The brain is one of the largest and most complex organs in the human body. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves that communicate in trillions of connections called synapses. The brain is made up of many specialized areas that work together. The brain is the size of large grapefruit, but it looks like a large pinkish gray walnut. The brain is one of the most amazing parts of our body. Every day it allows us to do many activities like read, printing words, cause us to breathe, remember colors, determine the rhythm of a heart, reminders to blink, remember how to play a game, ride a bike. The brain has three important parts. There are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. May God bless us all. Amen.